Hey guys, BOI back here again! Bioshock Infinite! So I've decided to not go to the title screen unless I kind of really need to, because that's just a big waste of time, and most people don't want to see that junk. Okay, and right now we are going to a monument. Oh god, don't kill me. Monument Island. Ooh, Skyline Strike! Kill him. Okay, I absolutely love this, because please, no. Okay, kill him. I don't know how you guys are liking the game so far, but I mean, like, I am loving this game, but I mean, like, the only thing bad is, I think the, well, not the melee, but I mean, like, melee's pretty awkward. It's why. Okay. Yeah, I'll leave the area. Okay. I should have ended off the last episode with this. That would have been, like, perfectly timed. Okay, so we're going to... Ooh, Monument Island. I believe this is where our goal was? I don't know. But I am very tempted to see what gets to where next. Okay, let's do this! Okay. Ooh. Have to go and sneak up behind him. But I need to go check everything. Okay, I guess I'm looking through a telescope. Okay, Sky. I don't need him. I didn't need to look through that. Okay. And oh, he saw me. That's dang it. Oh my god. Big fight. Big fight going melee pro. Okay. 360. Where's the crate? Where? Holy. Okay, birds everywhere. Why did I try and melee that thing? Oh god. No, please, no. Please. 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 Please don't kill me. Please. This is my life goal. My life goal. Don't call me that. I don't like that throw. I lose money. Oh, come on, I actually need money. Okay, I believe... Oh, that... Oh yeah, everything's alive. Hi, I'm a bird. Everybody is so confused. They're like, where'd he go? He's a magician! Well, I actually kind of am a magician, but how is this thing so... What did that do? Hi, that was your big thing. Drive by. Ooh. I don't need money, even though I kind of do need money. Okay, you're a... I will do that. Ooh, I can, no sale, that's like way too much money. Okay, I need pistol. Okay, I'm full on pistol. I need machine gun ammo. Okay, okay, I think I'm good. Haha! Cheating the, oh. That doesn't do anything. Okay, I need tons of money now. Okay, I actually like the murder of the crows. I kind of want to go on this thing. How was there, Daddy? Use the skylines to reach Monument Island. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? Oh my god, this is so crazy.
Whoa!
Wee.
And hastens to her tower even now. His intent is ruin.
No! That actually worked. I just had to be going fast. That sucks. Okay, so what am I gonna do about this? Do it. Okay, pull the lever. Pull. Go, underlay. Oh crap, I almost fell. Okay. We're gonna go and follow that. Secret trick. Extra speed. Oh god. Ooh. No! Okay, I bet you there's something there. That is like really valuable.
You know what kind of swells live here?
Nothing is valuable.
Did you hear what this guy did? What do you expect from it?
He's just standing there while getting shot. Just going like, am I getting shot? Ow. There's fall damage? Are you serious? That's stupid. No one likes a game with fall damage except for Legend of Zelda. That's this game. Okay, a real pistol. I need to get this! Okay, gotta get it. Yes, I got the achievement.
I get some
Don't worry.
elevation, I could probably reach it.
Okay, random birds. Just to pick up the thing I didn't need. Okay, that's off limits. Where do we go? Oh, there's a thing to do. Ooh, fireworks. Can I latch onto that? Okay. I am just so confused. Push that spot a lot. Can I go back up here, please? Oh, okay, I'm here. I go here. You know what? There he goes. Happy birthday. Is there anything valuable in here? I'm gonna try and I guess 100% the game, or at least try to find stuff. Maybe find stuff. No, I'm going the wrong way! Why do I go the wrong way? That's stupid. Okay, I'm guessing my goal is right there. Throttle! Throttle. Pick up the speed.
Stand down!
Narwhals.
Stand down!
Across the Delaware with flaming swords and the wings of angels. Washington, Lady Constance.
3 kills. They all have machine guns. Why? Okay. I guess I'm not supposed to go over there. You, sir, are still alive, and that's a problem. I have a problem with people who are still alive. I love the death noises, they're hilarious. I know you're still. Okay, what is this about? Why am I pointing? Okay.
I see every sin that blackens your soul. Wounded Knee, the Pinkertons, the drinking, the gambling, and of course, Anna. And now, to repay a debt, you've come from my land. But not all debts can be repaid, Booker.
You don't know me, pal.
Prophecy is my business, Mr. DeWitt. As blood as yours. You know why these men will die for? Because I have seen their future in the glory. And hence they are content. What brought you to Columbia, Booker? Bring us the girl and wipe away the debt? This will end in blood, DeWitt. Then again, it always does with you, doesn't it? It always ends in blood.
Whoa. Whoa. Stop making me bleed, dude. I'm not
But thy
gonna
crook
bleed.
is bent, and thy path is twisted. Go back to the sorrow from
I want
which
to see
you
what's on this
came.
side. Oh. Really? They're still like that? Why are the enemies all like that? I actually kind of want a challenge.
Go back.
Watch me. Okay. Challenge accepted.
Holy shit.
Okay. Okay, now they're back to normal, right? Hey, I want a challenge. My God.
Gotta find the control to take this thing to Monument
Okay.
Island.
Give me that. Find those Zeppelins. They still use Zeppelins. Okay, drop me off, sir. Oh, this is at an angle. No. I hate stuff at angles. Okay, open the door. Let's see where we go to. Okay. Rig steering. Am I seriously steering this thing? I don't want to steer this. Please don't let me steer this. No! No! Okay. Okay. Ah! Why is everything burning? Don't kill me. Don't kill. Oh! Oh! Are you serious? There we go. And then use my super awesome tactic. Okay. Boosh. Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Okay. Enter the Monument Island. Am I on Monument Island? This is taking forever. Ooh. I'm full on everything. Why am I full on everything? I don't want to be a full on everything. Okay, 1,000, 1,000. I don't even have 300. Okay, I'm leaving the area. Welcome to Monument Island. Okay. This music is so old. Why is this music have to be old? It has to be fucking piano. Piano old music is not good.
There it is.
Okay, find the girl. Let me just pick up these monies.
I wonder why they got her locked up in this place.
Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end it off here with the Monument Island. In the next episode, we will be finding the girl. Bye bye, adios, amigos.